I was formed by many voices, marked by fear and silent shame. But you saw me in the darkness, and you called me by my name.
Not improved, not rearranged, not escaping who I was. I was held within your mercy, I was found inside your love.
I didn't
Climb, you came near.
I didn't change myself,
You met me here.
I am born in you, wrapped in Christ, all my broken life now made new inside. I was born in you,
Held, restored,
not my own,
I belong.
to you, my Lord. Every wound is now surrounded by the presence of your grace. What was dust is filled with glory, what was lost has found its place. I am not who I was before, yet I'm fully known and seen. I am standing in your spirit, alive because you breathe in me. I didn't rise by my will, you carried me, and in you hold me still. I am born in you, wrapped in Christ, all my fragile life now alive inside. I was born in you,
Safe and free,
Christ in me,
and I in thee.
in your name, in your life, I am changed, not alone, not apart. I am living in your heart. I am born in you. This is grace. I remain in this holy place. I was born in you,
Here I stand.
not reborn by human